Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you don't have ducts, or the old ones are super inefficient, you have two choices. A contractor can install new ducts in the attic and/or basement, and run between floor connections through closets, for the cost of about $4,000 to $5,000.
Let's help you make your mark.
With a little help, you can do your own air duct installation. The typical rate for an HVAC dealer to do it is about $50 per hour. By providing the labor, you can save $1,500 to $2,000 on average. You can save even more by purchasing the materials yourself.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.